Classic meatloaf recipe, origin and brief history. Meatloaf is a hearty dish with roots tracing back to ancient Rome, where minced meat was combined with wine, bread, and spices. It gained popularity in the United States during the Great Depression as an affordable way to stretch meat using fillers like breadcrumbs. Today, meatloaf is a classic comfort food, often served with a sweet glaze and mashed potatoes. Ever wondered how to make the perfect meatloaf every single time? Today I'm going to show you how. Welcome to our cooking tutorial on the classic meatloaf recipe. This dish is a staple in many households and is known for its rich, comforting flavors. Let's dive into the ingredients and tools you'll need. For the meatloaf, you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 small onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, a quarter cup of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. For the glaze, you'll need 1/3 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, a loaf pan, measuring cups and spoons, a baking sheet, a whisk, and a spatula. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, onion, garlic, eggs, milk, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix gently with your hands or a spatula until all ingredients are well incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the meatloaf dense. If using a loaf pan, press the mixture evenly into the pan. For a free-form meatloaf, shape the mixture into a loaf shape and place it on a lined baking sheet. In a small bowl, whisk together ketchup, brown sugar, and Dijon mustard to make the glaze. Spread half of the glaze evenly over the top of the meatloaf. Bake the meatloaf in the preheated oven for 45 minutes. Remove the meatloaf from the oven, spread the remaining glaze on top, and bake for an additional 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the meatloaf rest for 10 minutes before slicing to ensure it holds its shape. Serve with mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a green salad. And there you have it, the perfect classic meatloaf. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. Share your creations with me on Instagram and tag me your handle. I'd love to feature your dish in my next video. Thanks for watching. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a great day ahead.